Hello and welcome to Bloomberg Quint. All pan-India cement players have reported their earnings, and clearly Ambuja Cement has reported robust set of numbers for the quarter ended June 2017. Not only has the company surpassed analyst estimates, but it has also outperformed the industry, the other pan-India players' performance on a sequential basis. If you look at the first parameter, that's the realization per ton or sales per ton, the company has delivered a jump of around 10.5% quarter on quarter basis, which is higher as compared to 7.2% posted by UltraTech Cement and 4.6% posted by ACC. Now the other important parameter, which is the EBITDA per ton, which is also an important metric for cement industry, the company has recorded a jump of around 66.7% quarter on quarter, which is way higher as compared to 30.1% posted by UltraTech Cement and 41.9% registered by ACC Cement, which brings us to the key metric or the valuation metric for the company, which is EV to EBITDA. That's the company's value as compared to its 1 year forward earning potential. You would see that this at 22 times is at a premium of around 11.23% as compared to UltraTech Cement and almost 29% higher as compared to the industry's average, which also brings us to an important question: if these valuation that Ambuja Cement is seeing is justified. Well, a report from Motilal Oswal, which has a buy rating on Ambuja Cement, suggests that though the growth potential of the company remains muted due to the limited expansion, however, the realization in the fast growing regions like North and West can bring in some amount of resilience for the company. Besides this, proposed merger with ACC could also drive the cost synergy benefits for Ambuja Cement. Well, that's the chart of the day. This is Nikki and you're watching Bloomberg Quint.